fight Mitch and Jerome. This wow, that was a that was a clutch play. Oh my god. So should we make? Well, if we could find apples, that would be pretty good too.
Yeah, that would be a good source. If we could actually find, actually, don't they drop apples? Does this chest have apples in it? Because this chest drops a bunch of TNT. So I'm not seeing apples.
Let's hope that they don't come over to us and just see. Oh, look at all this stuff on the ground.
Yeah, because they did that last time, and I prefer that not to happen. Oh, it comes with cooked food too, because we got something better than.
Oh, it does
right
actually,
now,
yeah.
so. All right, I'll take that. I'm gonna pick up some TNT just in case we find flint.
Yeah. Just a stack of TNT could be good.
Oh no! No! Okay.
They must have found it. They had to have found it.
I gotta try and find them, because this is the only place that has birch trees. I'm pretty sure of.
And you just wanna see if we can put a stop to them.
Yes, hold them off while we
So we're
can.
basically just gonna do a death match prior to the death match.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
I do think we should try and find golden apples, though. I think that'd be really useful.
It would be. Oh my god.
I have too many. I have too much diamonds on me.
Wait, he couldn't have been doing that good if he just got shot by a skeleton. Ooh,
Hey, ender pearls?
ooh, ender pearls.
Where'd you find
That's
that?
nice. That was from the whatever dropped the redstone lamp. What was that?
That's just grass. Oh, that's dirt.
Oh, is it
Grass
really?
and dirt. Wait, what was it?
Oh, we got
no,
apples.
it's
What did we
grass.
get apples from?
Oh. What did I think it's banners? Is it these banners? It's these banners. It's these
Okay.
banners.
So what was the chain on that?
I think it's just dirt. Yeah, it's just dirt.
Okay, but
my
not
God.
grass. It's dirt.
Yeah, dirt is that, and then
What dropped the
I just
redstone
found a
lamp?
redstone- a path. So just make a path with your shovel.
Oh, okay. Oh, we are so
Okay.
sick. We're so solid,
Yeah,
dude.
no, we got everything now. Okay. Oh, are these Wait, do they drop jungle leaves? Because we can
Yeah.
go to the
It
jungle.
no. It's the jungle leaves that turn into the thing.
Okay. All right. If you want to collect apples, I'll go collect ender pearls in the jungle.
Oh, right. There is a jungle. That's clever. That's very clever. Yeah, sure. Go for it.
Let's see. Let me. All right. I can make a shear to double time this. There we go. Awesome. All right. And then we'll at least have ender pearls in case we need to escape and heal.
Yeah, this is gonna be great. We're crushing.
No,
it
I know.
right
This is what happens when we get good stuff right off the back. It's very interesting.
now. All right, this is gonna be our redemption. I like the fact that the random drops include loot tables from chests, and it's not just like one block turns into another block,
Yeah.
turns into another block.
No, and it's really cool because you can get legit like diamond blocks themselves.
Right, of
and,
course.
Like, gold and all that.
Which
it's
I mean,
really
we
fun.
essentially have gotten here.
Yeah.
Okay, so they got I'm just waiting for cover me with diamonds to show on their end because it's bound to be happening at some point soon.
Yeah. And as long as they kind of stay out of the area we were originally in,